Back to our channel. Today we will be teaching you how to make a spinning box. It can spin on your finger and it can also spin on a pencil. Want to build it? Ready, set, here we go.
This origami spinning box, you'll need a 1/6" square of origami paper. First, we're going to start off by folding in half, like this. Open it up, fold it this way, and then you're going to flip it over, pinch this down and grab these corners, and you're going to fold it down to here, right here, like this. And then you're going to fold it like this, have it like this, and then you're going to open it back up, and you're going to fold this down here. Do the same thing with the other one, like this. And you're going to fold this way, like this, like this. And now you need to fold it to here as the beetle, and you're going to do this part, same thing as the beetle, and fold like this, and this, and now things get different. Now we're going to take this and fold it on this, turn this, do the same thing, and you're going to fold it down, fold it back up to here, and fold it down again. And then you're going to take this here, and you're going to put these corners in here. You're going to fold this down inside, so it's over both flips. It'll look like this once you do it. Do the same thing with the other side. Fold this here, fold this like this, and fold it again like this. Fold this up like this. Fold this up like this here, and fold and crease. Fold it up. Fold this corner down, and now you put the flap down here, and you're going to fold this back in, right there, crease. Now you're just going to open it up, turn it into a flat box, and you can spin it like this. Grab your pencil, you can spin it like that, or you can balance it, or spin it and launch it like this. And you're done.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.